Your mind has to be stronger than your feelings. Think about every poor decision you've made in your life.
Gosh.
There was more emotion that was involved in it than there was mind. Every single one of them. Think about it.
Really was.
Your feelings keep you in bed. Your mind tells you, get up. When I talked to all my athletes, I said, describe winning in one word to me. And everybody would think about, they would be like, it's happy, it's, it's euphoric, it's all those things, and it is. But those constant winners, their answers were, it's unpolished, it's uncivilized, it's nasty, it's hard, it's dirty, it's unforgiving. And then Kobe comes up and says, it's everything. It's everything. And if you think about it, and very few people are genuine about this, right? And you know the ones that are, and you know the ones that aren't. How do you feel when somebody's really close to you and they win? It's an unbelievable feeling.
Unbelievable feeling.
How do you feel when you win? Unbelievable feeling. Even though it's short-lived. How do you feel when your kids win? It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
All right. That feeling is everything.
It is everything.
That feeling is everything. Your mind has to be stronger than your feelings. Your mind has to be stronger than your feelings. Think about every poor decision you've made in your life.
Gosh.
There was more emotion that was involved in it than there was mind. Every single one of them. Think about it.
Really was.
Your feelings keep you in bed. Your mind tells you, get up. Think about it. Every single day, your mind is the one that tells you, get up. And your feelings like, an extra 30 minutes, just roll this. Don't worry about it. Every single one. Your mind has to be stronger than your feelings. Listen, it's not the popular decision. You are going to hurt. You are going to piss a lot of people off.
Yep.
All right. Are you going to piss them off for the short term? Or are you going to piss them off for the long term? I've had so many individuals, athletes that I used to train back in the day, and I used to tell them, you're not good enough to go to the NBA. But you can make a ton of money overseas. I said, what do you want to do? I said, overseas you can make, I said, you can literally, you could have a very long career, be extremely popular over there, live a nice lifestyle, and be successful for numerous years. Grover, you don't know what you're talking about. Okay, I'm telling you. 10 years come by, they're chasing the NBA dream, they don't make it. I run into them and they come up to me and says, you're the only one that told me. You're the only one that told me. Well, here's the thing. So, when's the best time for the truth? All the time. It's the best time for the truth, all the time. The truth should lead to more action. But what does it usually do? It leads to more emotions. So when you tell somebody the truth, so what's the first thing? Anybody in a relationship, you go in a relationship with business, personal, whatever it is, the first thing they always ask me, honesty. Honesty is the most important until you're honest.
Until you're honest, yeah.
Then the emotions get in, and then everything goes haywire. Then your mind has to be stronger than your feeling.